Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing some more work on my 1968 Mustang Coupe, two-door. Actually, I don't even think they made a four-door. Anyway, we're going to work on the trunk lid weather stripping. I've had a little problem with the trunk. I can't close it at the moment because I can't find the key. So if I close it, I can't open it back up again. But while I was working on that dilemma, I noticed that the weather stripping is hard as rock, brittle, falling apart, really needs replacing. So I figured that'll be my next project, and we'll see if we can get that done in this video. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do here is remove the trunk lid. It's going to be so much easier. We take it off, flip it on its upside down here on the table. I just want to show you what I've done so far before I remove the trunk lid. I've taken tape and marked there, hopefully you can see that, where the trunk lid is on both sides, so that when I go to put it back on, I won't have any problem lining everything up correctly. So at this point, I just want to say thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you'll drop me a like and subscribe down below, and we'll continue this with the next video. So I got this Black Max drill here. I just want to show you guys a little something. Got a Ryobi battery and a Black Max drill, and you can see it works just fine. But I did have to do a little alteration to the battery. You see the battery, General Ryobi battery, it's got this little pin or plastic bit on it there. It makes it so you can't fit it in to the Black Max drill. But all you actually have to do is cut that little pin off, and it fits in the drill just fine. It fits, it works. You don't have to buy Black Max to work in Black Max tools. If you got an old Ryobi around, you see right here I'm cutting the pin off, and it still works. If you put the Ryobi battery back in a Ryobi item, it still works just fine as well. You can see with the pin still in there, it won't go in, but with a quick alteration to the battery here, I'm simply cutting that little piece of plastic off. And you'll see in a moment here. Oh, I think I got through most of the way. I'm going to break that little pin off. And now goes right into the Black Max drill, and it works just fine. Kind of like they were maybe made in the same factory in China. They just put that stupid little plastic piece on there to keep you from doing exactly what I just did.